Have you ever wondered why we are so passionate about what we do? It isn't just because of our pride in the fact that we have been doing business for more than 150 years and that we benefit from knowledge accumulated over several generations. It is also rooted in the fact that our raw material comes from the earth, has a unique identity, combining tradition with innovation, and is amazingly sustainable. Basically, we are passionate about everything we stand for. Cork is an ecological and sustainable material supplied by nature that contains almost 40 million cells in just 1 cubic centimetre, granting unique and outstanding characteristics that no industrial or technological processes have yet been able to replicate. But being a global market leader involves many challenges. Leading by example, we foster the well-being of our employees and the communities closest to us and society at large. We are perfectly aligned with 12 of the United Nations' 17 Sustainable Development Goals, with various ongoing programs in pursuit of our mission. We have explained how passionate we are about the uniqueness of cork as a raw material. We are also inspired by its amazing natural ecosystem, the Cork Oak Forest, a driving force for sustainable development that plays a crucial role in the world's ecological balance. It is part of one of the world's biodiversity hotspots and an important natural CO2 sink, acting as a barrier against fires, a hydrological balance regulator and an important soil protector that decreases the risk of desertification. In fact, Cork Oak Forests generate wealth in 7 different countries as a result of multifunctional characteristics together with its existing wide biodiversity. We firmly believe in the importance of responsible forestry management and are proud of our forestry intervention program that ensures maintenance, preservation and enhancement of cork oak forests, guaranteeing continuous production of high-quality cork. Our commitment in applying the principles of the circular economy by adding value to cork, reducing generated waste, extending the working life of materials and regeneration of natural systems is a reality in our worldwide operations. We are confidently playing our part in tackling climate change. Considering the carbon sink effect of the Cork Oak Forest made viable by the cork industry, our activity promotes an annual carbon sequestration that can be 17 times higher than the amount of greenhouse gas emitted across the entire value chain. Corticeira and Amorim's credentials are visible in all business units, since we know that cork is an excellent alternative to high-impact, non-renewable materials. This is how we achieve our leading role in transitioning to a low-carbon economy. The results and the data speak for themselves. We are profoundly satisfied to have achieved a perfect balance over the years between people, planet and profit. Some industries view this triple ambition as a goal to be attained in the future, but for us, it is already our current reality. This harmonious framework has enabled us to build greater business value not only in our Cork Stoppers business unit, but throughout other business units. Floor and wall coverings, composite cork and insulation cork. Now you know where our passion comes from. We firmly believe that nature is the starting point for a better future, a future to which Amorim's over 4,400 employees contribute every day. We are sustainable by nature.